So guys, if you recently registered on Statusmoney, from my little promotions that I made about this platform, and you have made your $10 minimum cash out threshold, right? So if you want to withdraw your money automatically from this platform, you are going to link your account so you get paid. Okay, so you get paid either your local bank account or your paper account, so whichever one that is more preferable for you. So when you go to your menu, okay, you click on your menu above there. Okay, so you click on link account, right? Click there. Okay, so you click on add account. Okay, so you want to add your country bank account, right? So you can do that if you have a Trace account, Bank of Africa, right? So you can do that if you have any of these accounts here, or you can add your account manually, right? So if you want to search for your account and make it more easier for you, you just have to search for your account. Okay, so let's search. So whichever country you are, you will be able to search for your bank, and if your bank is not listed, you can create a paper account. Okay, so you'll be able to get your payment instantly, right? So when you choose paper, okay, you'll be able to log in your paper so you get paid, right? You'll be able to log in your paper. Let me go back again. Okay, so you'll be able to log in your paper, right? And once you log in your paper, you link your paper account. So when you reach your $10 threshold, right? Because you will have to reach your $10 threshold in order to get paid on this platform. So guys, if you're new in this channel, make sure you subscribe and follow up so we update you on how to make quick money online. Statusmoney is a legit way to make money online, where you refer your friends and you ask them also to link their accounts. So you only need to link your accounts and you will receive your $1 for each person you refer. Okay, so you can choose to add your accounts manually, right? So you put your account type, whichever account you are using, you put it, right? So if your account is not listed here, when you click on other assets, you put your bank name and your balance of your current Statusmoney earnings, right? So you click on finish. So when you link your account, your money will be transferred into your account automatically. Okay, so if you are not in a supported country but you have a paper account that receives money, you will just go back and type paper, okay, and you click on paper business. If you are not in a country where paper is supported, so you click on paper business, so you'll be able to link your paper business account so you receive your money. Okay, so guys, there's another part here that requires you to activate your credit file. Okay, there's another part that requires you to update your credit file. Yeah, I believe it's at this back. Let me go back. Okay, so you will see where they write your credit file. So let's just get to it. Okay, so where they say credit file, you just put in your kind of your profile. Okay, the kind of your profile, and you will earn $1 for that. Okay, so this part is just very simple. You just put your SNN code, your address, and your state, your zip code. And meanwhile, if you are not located in a country where you have your SNN, you can just search on Google random, right? You just search on Google random SNN, right? And you use the address and the zip code attached to it. Okay, so you get your $1 and for linking your credit file. Okay, just to verify your status account. And I hope this video will help you guys to make more money online for free, guys. You just need to link your profile and your bank account. And please subscribe to this channel and follow up for our next video. Okay, so guys, I'm going to see you in my next video.